What's up guys, Chandra from TechSpace, and we are back to speed test another vehicle. This time, to put a twist on it, we are going to do it on sand with the beautiful MJX 16207, and there it is guys. You've seen it in the intro, you've seen it on the thumbnail. It is going to be epic. I can't wait to see how fast it's going to go on sand. I've got the GPS mounted as well, and we are going to check how it's going to perform on its stock battery, the 25C 1050 milliamp hour 3S battery. And then I'm going to put in the Gens Ace Lipo battery that we used at the velodrome the other day, the 45C discharge rate with 1000 milliamp hours. Now I'm really looking forward to this one. It's a beautiful day, and without further ado, let's get into this one. So the MJX 16207's first attempt on a speed run on its stock battery. Let's see what it can do. Oh, okay, let's bring it back. Give it a chance to go back. Hot flies. Lost its GPS. Right, let's see. GPS, what do you guys reckon? I would imagine it's probably something like 30 something. Let's see. 28.5 miles per hour, guys. Let's see if we can get it any quicker. Okay, attempt 2. Let's see if we can get anything faster than that. Oh, GPS loose again. GPS. Okay, let's give it a third attempt. That's flat out. We're not going to get anything quicker than that. Let's bring it back. I'm gonna watch out for all the stones. Okay, that's flat out again. All right, and I've lost the GPS. The camera stayed. The stand went. Oh. All right, so we've got a 29.8 miles per hour on the stock battery on the sand paddle tires. So let's see if we can get it any faster with the Gens Ace 45C discharge rate battery. Alright, so we've got the first attempt on the Gens Ace 3S battery. Let's see how it does. Bring it back. As you can see, there's a lot of rocks there. I like to try and miss those. Bring it back. Oh, nice. It's quick. It's quick. And we haven't lost the GPS. Maybe we've got some better luck with this one. Oi. Go back that way. It's bogged down. See if we get anything quicker. What do you guys reckon? Are we going to get a quicker speed on this one? I do suspect we will. Okay, let's blast it. Oh, oh, ah! Oh! Also GPS, what a beautiful day to do this kind of stuff. Let's see. Yep, crashed, blasted back. Oh, big crash again. Jeez. Obviously because it's a little bit bumpy on the sand surface, and because the car is so small and the tire is so small, the smallest rocks like this one takes it out. Got the GPS. Let's put it back on the vehicle. See if we can get something else. Okay, it's set to maximum. I've resetted it. Alright, I'm going to bring it back. Okay, luckily it didn't flip. Bring it way back this way again. Okay, bring it back again. Full tilt. Back this way again. Full tilt. What a car. Oh, bogged. Oh, bogged. All right, I'm going to have to take this GPS speed. All right, guys, let's see. What did it get? 31.9 miles per hour. So it's a little bit faster on this battery, guys. So that proves the point that a higher discharge rate battery will give you better results, or it might just be the quality of the battery might be better. All right, now it's for the fun part. Let's get some RPV footage filmed. That concludes the speed run video on the paddle tires on this beautiful stretch of beach that we use here today. It was a gorgeous one and we got some great footage. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Johnny from TechSpace and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys, thanks for watching.